partnership is not a choice between academia and industry, because basically business schools are producing product for the industry. But in recent times, industry is clavering that whatever product you are producing, they are not much useful to us. So what's required is, like they are saying, some of the skill set they are looking for, they are not getting. So what we are doing, we are trying to partner with some of the industries and trying to know their requirement in terms of skill set and attitude. And with their help, we are designing some of the modules, and in which they are also coming as a visiting faculty, and they are even mentoring those students. Because now here we heard what recruiters, talent recruiters are looking for, the channels through which they are coming, the mode which they are adopting, the competency they are looking for. Like they are saying, they are seeing the digital signature, digital way you are moving on the net. So we can advise our students accordingly. We can give these feedbacks to our students, and that way we can make them better prepared for the industry. One of the attributes we inculcate in our students is LLL, that is the lifelong learning. And if you are in the lifelong learning mode, you will never expire because you will be in that mode. And why any degree should come with expiry date? Because knowledge explosion is so much there. Like the technology today, after 2 years, that's not there. The concept today or the theories today are undergoing radical shifts. So any degree which were based on your demonstration of qualification based on those inputs will definitely expire. So I fully agree. So we are tackling this in 2 ways. We are having this lifelong learning attitude inculcated. That's number one. And number two, we are continuously updating our curriculum. So whatever batch is passing out at whatever time is relevant for that time. Plus our alumni network also has access to all the seminars and events that takes place in our campus. And our events and seminars are happening on the cutting edge themes. So our alumni who passed out even 2-3 years ago, and if that's a relevant theme, they will come and attend it. So we are giving them some attitude, and we are also giving them some platform and architecture so that they are always connected to us. And in today's Google world, there is no knowledge. If you have the right attitude, you can always acquire learning about anything.